Let's start by helping you understand what ConferrrNow actually is. ConferrrNow is our signature service where individuals just like you can confer with and receive one-on-one advice and mentoring from an unbiased, live human, expert CHRO level advisor about any workplace or career issue or challenge. Think of ConferrrNow as the HR version of Teledoc, where you can privately confer with a specialist via phone or video to troubleshoot issues and receive advice, counsel, and a viable list of options to solve your work-related problems. Now, while AI is definitely helpful across the business world these days, we found that our members prefer speaking to a real human who deeply understands the ever-changing dynamics of the workplace. And as lead CHRO conciliary here at Conferr, I have handpicked a small team of fellow experts whom I have personally witnessed and can vouch for their impressive breadth of knowledge, expertise, and advisement capabilities. As a member of the Ally Network, you will receive a discount on any of your scheduled appointments based on your membership level. We've made this just-in-time service very simple for you to book a meeting 24/7 at a time that's convenient for you. Now, here's how you do it. On the left navigation bar, just click on your membership level under Book ConferrrNow Appointments. Then click the button on the post and you will be taken to a booking page customized for your membership level. There, you will complete a brief form which will help us prepare for your discussion. Upon completing the form, you will be directed to a secure payment page, and following payment, you will be able to schedule a meeting, date or time of your choice. Also know that your advisor may email you follow-up resources after the meeting, if needed, such as talking points, case studies, or legal references. You can book as few or as many meetings as you desire, and this service travels with your membership even if you change employers. Now, in the next section, we'll review our members' second most popular benefit, the Groupthink Cafe.